All right, today we're at the St. Louis Zoo.
We're ready to go see the animals today.
Yeah, this is one of my favorite places in St. Louis. Best part about it is free. One of the top zoos in the nation. So we're gonna check it out today and see all the animals.
And we're gonna see if we can get a look at Ben, who escaped from his enclosures twice.
Yeah, maybe he'll escape today. If he escapes today, I want to pet him.
No, let's hope Ben doesn't escape. Let's keep Ben safe and let's keep him where he's supposed to be.
All right, maybe he'll escape.
Yep, let's go.
All right, let's go. All right, here we are inside the zoo. They haven't even turned the lights on yet.
Look up. Watch out for the sharks. Andy wanted to make sure he got inside today.
Yeah, we were the first ones. Let's go see some animals. All right, here we are at the penguin exhibit. It's really cold in here and smells like fish.
It smells like fish, but the penguins are having a good time.
Yeah, it's a great exhibit.
I think he's a penguin. He's trying to get everybody wet.
Oh, he's gonna go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh.
He came to say hi, Andy. Hi. Hi, buddy.
Here's my friend. Oh my gosh.
He's huge.
Oh my goodness. Oh.
He came to say hi, Andy. Hi. Hi, buddy.
Here's my friend. Oh my gosh.
He's huge.
Oh my goodness. Did you get me with him, Mary?
Visit stlzoo.org. Grizzly bears have many important roles to fulfill in their environment. In fact, grizzlies are so important that they are considered a keystone species.
Look at it, Lincoln. Look at he's sniffing the glass. Come here. You made it.
Important roles to fulfill in their environment. In fact, grizzlies are so important that they are considered a keystone species.
Hey, buddy.
Look at it, Lincoln. Look at he's sniffing the glass. Come here. Look at there. Look right here. Look right there. Can you say hi? Aww. Yeah, you come catch me. Look, it's right there. Oh.
Do you want to get down, Misha?
No.
Okay.
I'll get.
It's interesting.
Do you want me to stand up? head over to River's Edge. So St. Louis Zoo is divided into 6 different areas, and one of the areas is called River's Edge, and that's where the Andean bear is kept. And if you, so in recent news, about a week ago, the Andean bear actually got out, and his name is?
Ben.
Ben.
Yeah.
Ben the bear.
Yeah.
Ben the Andean bear.
He got out twice.
He's gotten out twice.
Yeah.
So Ben the bear was born in New York City, and he's been here at the St. Louis Zoo, and he's escaped twice. And I believe he's the only animal to escape in St. Louis. And so we're going to go ask, we think he may still be grounded.
Yeah, I think he's in trouble.
Yeah, but we're gonna go ask if he can come out and play.
Yeah, I hope so.
We hope so.
All right, so we're gonna walk along the water's edge here.
River's Edge.
River's Edge, sorry, River's Edge. Look, there's a beautiful waterfall. Very nice, very nice. Okay, it's okay. So we're gonna walk along here. This is one of, I think, the biggest parts of the zoo. It's huge, has a lot of African animals. I think it's got the elephants and the Ben the bear. We're gonna check him out. Yep. So lots of things. Or South African animals. So, and it's a beautiful walk around the zoo too. So we're gonna check it out.
Let's go.
Let's go. All right, so this is where it's all happened. This is where he escaped from.
Yeah, and now he's grounded.
I don't know. I think they should still free Ben, free Ben, free Ben.
So we are at the hippo exhibit, and we are just waiting for the hippos to swim by today. Look who came to say hi. That is pretty cool.
Whoa! Oh, he's making noises.
Get his eyes out.
That's the hippo.
You see him? He can't come to the eyes.
Go get
All right.
Oh, I'm filming myself. How do I turn it around?
Whoa! Nice.
Was that him making that?
Yeah. Yeah, that was him. Let's see if he comes back. Dude, he's on it. He's on it. Here he comes. Here he comes. Yeah. we just got done at the St. Louis Zoo. It was such a wonderful day. I really love coming to the zoo.
Good weather today. It warmed up on us.
Yeah, it was great weather.
Great weather.
Great weather. Saw lots of animals.
Oh, we saw so many animals.
Most of them were pretty active.
This morning they were really active.
Yeah,
The River's Edge, the animals weren't as active there, but Red Rock and Lakeside Crossing, all of those were pretty active.
Yeah, I'd really like seeing the polar bears and the grizzly bears. Those were my favorite, and the hippos.
Yeah.
What were your favorite today?
No, we saw lions.
And tigers.
And bears.
Oh my.
Oh my.
So what was your favorite?
I don't, so I really like the bears. The bears are really cool. They were very active. The grizzly bears were active today. The polar bear, he was just massive. He was very active. And the hippos, I mean,
Yeah, they're always fun to watch.
Yeah.
So thanks again, St. Louis Zoo. It was a great time.
Great time.
All right. Talk to you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
Oh yeah, like and subscribe. Hit those buttons. It really helps. So make sure you subscribe and check out all our other videos. We're gonna try to have a video out every week if we can.
Yeah.
All right, thank you.